Hello students, in previous video we already taken the information about indifference curve. An indifference curve provide same level of satisfaction to the consumer. It is clear that when consumer gets one more unit of any one commodity, then he has to give up some units of another commodity so that his total utility level remains the same and consumer also remains same on the indifference curve. Thus, indifference curve analysis based on the diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Students, today we are going to take the more information about law of diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Means it is the rate at which consumer is willing to sacrifice one good for another good while remaining equally well off. Means, according to this law, if consumer wants to have an additional unit of one commodity, means if a person wants to have an extra unit of any one commodity, then he has to sacrifice lesser and lesser units, means less units of another commodity. So here the marginal rate of substitution for one commodity for another commodity go on diminishing, means go on decreasing. Students, we will explain it with the help of the table. See here, in the table, first column shows the combinations. Second column shows the quantity of the X commodity. Third column shows quantity of the Y commodity. And last column shows marginal rate of substitution. See here, if consumer wants to have one more unit of X commodity, then consumer will sacrifice 4 units of Y commodity. See here, if the consumer wants to have one more unit of X commodity, then consumer will sacrifice 4 units of the Y commodity. See here, at the A combination, consumer consumes 1 unit of the X commodity and 12 units of the Y commodity. But when the consumer wants one more unit of X commodity, then he will sacrifice the 4 units of the Y commodity, means he only consumes the 8 units of the Y commodity for the one more X commodity. See here, similarly, when he wants to have 3 units of X commodity, then he will sacrifice 3 units of the Y commodity. See here, if the consumer wants to have the 3 units of the X commodity, then he will sacrifice the 3 units of the Y commodity. Means the marginal rate of substitution diminishes with increase in the number of X commodity. Means when consumer increases number of X commodity, marginal utility derived, means obtained from each additional commodity falls. See here, if the consumer increases the number of the X commodity, the marginal rate of substitution decreases. Means the marginal utility from extra unit of the X commodity, the marginal utility falls. So, increase in the number of one commodity, the consumer feel inclination. Inclination means he like to sacrifice small and smaller units of the another commodity. Students, we will explain it with the help of the diagram. See here, in the diagram, on the OX axis, we represents the quantity of the X commodity, and on the OY axis we represents the quantity of the Y commodity. Here the diagram shows us the diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Means, see here, when the consumer moves from point A to point B, the consumer will sacrifice the 4 units of the Y commodity. See here, at the point E, consumer consumes the 12 units of the Y commodity and 1 unit of the X commodity. If he want the 1 more unit of the X commodity, then he will sacrifice the 4 units of the Y commodity. Likewise, if the consumer moves from point B to point C, the consumer will sacrifice the 3 units of the Y commodity. Means here, at the point D to point E, means the consumer moves from the point D to point E, the consumer will sacrifice 1 unit of the Y commodity for the X commodity. Means it is clear that the consumer sacrifices smaller and smaller quantities for Y commodity for each additional unit of the X commodity. So, the marginal rate of substitution go on diminishing, means go on decreasing. Students, this is all about the marginal rate of substitution.